Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper in the additional of Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021, because in today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 14th, we have only one regular Sudoku, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the last puzzle in yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper we have 6 puzzles, and this one will be the last puzzle I will do. This will be number 3538. 3538. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 18. Printed digits should be an easy one. And for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Always a 1? Alright. Only 1? Yes. Do we have dual box? I see here dual box. Here also dual box. It's already filled in. I do not know in which order the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. It contains the 1 and the 2. Here also the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box. Do we have any triple boxes here? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. But I do not know. I cannot fill this yet. The numbers. And the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constrictions, whatever, you name it. For example, the T shape. We have the T shape rotated here. Let me draw this, the T shape. And the T shape, remember, if you see a T shape, here also a T shape, 2 T shapes, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And this one is rotated. So, we have 2 boxes that you need to recognize. This box has the same number as that box. Not recognized, but has the same number, yes. Here also the T shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 4. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Rotated. Alright. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 here. So it cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright, 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. Alright. Then the L shape. Yes. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. How about this shape? The following shape. Alright. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And then, here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Yeah, in this puzzle we have only 4 shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have only 4, but there are more. So the next stage, next strategy is let's get filling the numbers. All right. These 2 boxes. Wait. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Then 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. This box is connected with that box, so we have 1. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the other 2 boxes could be a 2 here or there. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. That means 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. This box, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. So I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. That means if this box is a 3, that means that it's connected with that box should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 5. And of course here I have another 3 there. So this box should be a 3. Okay. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Of course, this is connected with each other, so it should be also a 5. This box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 2 here. I cannot place a 2 in this box. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 3. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box, it's not the solution to place the 2 here. So the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 3. 1 box left in this corner box for the number 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And now we have a 2 there. So this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 2 and 5. We see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Correct? Faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget. Only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlists for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer. For the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.